Smartphone game simulator. This software you can use it for playing any kind of Windows game. Right now it's calibrated for racing games, and you don't have to use any hardware. You simply use your smartphone sensors, like especially accelerometer, and then send it over Wi-Fi to your Windows machine. So for the configuration part is very easy. So for the setup, if you are on Windows 10, you can directly click on right taskbar and you can directly click on mobile hotspot and you can start mobile hotspot, or else you can create it from command prompt, or else you can create hotspot from any other mobile and you can directly connect. And if you have router, then it's best option, but it's noted that it should not be having any internet connectivity. If it is having internet connectivity, then you may experience some lags. Otherwise you may use Connectify also.